Want to know how I manifested a billboard in Times Square? It started with a vision board. A vision board is a powerful manifestation tool that reflects the life you want to create by visually representing your goals with images, quotes, and affirmations. It helps you focus your energy, align with your dreams, and attract what you desire by keeping your intentions front and center. It's about creating a space where your future feels real before it happens. By visualizing your dream life and feeling as if it's already yours, you can manifest anything you desire into existence. Today, we're gonna make our dream board together.
This year, we're gonna come back to New York. We're gonna see my billboard for Spotify right in Times Square. This year.
I've finally figured out the blueprint to receiving anything you desire, all with a little magic, but mostly the vision board. Step 1, pick out pictures from Pinterest. This is so important, but what should I put on my vision board, Kaylee? Well, it's simple. What are the most frequent save pins on your Pinterest board? Is it your dream body, your dream apartment, your dream career? Go through and find a few repeating categories and get really specific. I like to Photoshop myself onto my Pinterest photos. This helps bring your dream to life. Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylee Lauren. Honestly, welcome to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying that. I ordered photos at CVS because I don't have a photo printer. So you're coming along, let's go. Hi angels, so I just made it to CVS, picked up the photos. I've manifested some insane things. Let's create my vision board and make this year even bigger. I have to go to Michael's, pick up a frame. I have this really specific vision in my head. How could you be so reckless with my heart? Let's go meet my friend at Michael's. Fit is giving very much baby doll vibes. I actually ended up going with the frame that I wanted. I'm gonna cut the poster to match the exact frame. Natasha's doing her vision board too. Guys, look what we have so far. These are all the pictures printed out. I'm so excited to show you what is actually on this. George, don't mess up. He's like, I have dreams too. The first picture that's going on my vision board is Kaylee Lauren is officially a Grammy nominated artist. I literally photoshopped this. This is real and it's gonna happen. 2025 right in the middle. This is a picture of a Canon G7X, which is currently what I'm holding right now. This is a Times Square billboard. This is such a dream for me on my vision boards for the last few years, and I actually got a Times Square billboard last year. This year I want to see it in person. Yeah, and this is a Spotify billboard, which would be even more amazing because Spotify billboards are iconic. Okay, I put creator rewards program $1,000. That is a huge goal of mine. This is actually my clothing company. I want to make $3,000 this year. I want to be in Vogue this year. I want to be in a lot more magazines. I'm in Vogue now. I radiate at a high vibration. Truly, this is the key of the manifesting world. Let's say your dreams, your dream car, your dream house, your dream career is up here. Vibrationally, it's at a very high frequency. And when you don't match that frequency already, you can't really get to that point. You have to already match that frequency to get there. That's why they say fake it till you make it and live as if you already have received. That's why meditation and vision boarding with your friends is so good, because it puts you at that higher frequency to receive those high frequency dreams. Focus on you until the focus is on you. This is one of my favorite quotes. I love that. Permanently in my rich girl era. That is the mantra. Literally, this is exactly why manifesting is so insane.
So I took a picture of this skincare brand that I want to get PR from them. This random picture that I found, literally the plates in the picture are the exact same plates that we use in my house for dinner. The exact same one.
That's literally insane. Wow. Look at this picture I found on Pinterest. New York and then famous. That is so iconic. That's literally me in a picture. What does 14 mean? I guess I'll find out. We have a quote, I'm the luckiest person in the world. I found this and it says, on behalf of the admissions committee, it is my honor and privilege to share with you that you have been admitted to the Tisch School of Arts at New York University. If you didn't know, NYU is my dream school. These affirmations that I put on, I'm so lucky, everything works out for me. Miracles happen to me daily. 100,000 followers on TikTok. A big goal of mine.
My order is on the move.
Wait, that's like literally how manifestation works. We literally are placing our orders right now. Our dinner's on its way, but so are our dreams. Okay, I put a New York first class ticket because that is happening. And this quote that I found on Pinterest, I dreamed of New York, I am going there. That is so cute. I get paid to exist. That is just a fact by God. Okay, this is the vision board. This is what it's looking like right now. It looks so cute because this is literally my dream car, the Macan. It's so nice. I took it for a little test drive the other week. I'll insert a clip here, but that's all about manifesting, baby. An angel, because that is what we're channeling this year. And then I put all these phones looking at this famous person, Kaylee Lauren, build a social media presence. And then this is a picture of New York. I live there and I'm going there many times this year because I'm a famous, wealthy person that lives in New York. Just waiting for the world to catch up. I literally wrote this yesterday. I love this so much. I feel like I'm already living in the frequency and vibration of my dream life, and I'm just waiting for the world to catch up. Getty Images, this is a big goal of mine. I don't know why. I just think it's so cool to have like pictures on Getty Images. I love this one. It says, I create content that resonates deeply with my audience and attracts a massive following. My social media presence is growing exponentially every day. I'm a magnet for positive engagement and my posts go viral effortlessly. My creativity and authenticity shine through in every piece of content I share. I am consistently attracting opportunities and collaborations that elevate my social media profile. I'm taping everything on there right now. Perfect.
So cute.
I really love it. Oh,
George loves it too.
he approves. Yeah. This is insane. I'm so grateful for my vision board. Wow. Guys, I'm actually gonna cry because this like kind of stuff makes me so emotional, like to think of me living my dream life and just like so excited to like manifest it. And I don't know, I'm just so grateful. So thank you. Also thank you like for everyone watching. Honestly, it would not be possible without you guys. I can't wait to create the life of my dreams and for you guys all to be along with me. Oh my God. And I hope that you get inspiration to make a vision board. I hope all your dreams come true the way you've made mine. So thank you. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm in my active era. Active Kaylee Lauren on YouTube. This is what dreams are made of. When I see a view like this, it honestly makes me chase my dreams even more. This literally reminds me of New York, and I know one day I will be living in New York and making videos for you guys. I just know it. I cannot wait for 2025.
Never give up on something you can't go a day without thinking about. Your life is a reflection of what you think is possible for yourself. 1 year from now, I want to be able to look back and say, wow, I really did believe in myself and it worked. My goal is to wake up every morning feeling overwhelmingly thankful about the kind of life I've created for myself. I truly believe in the magic of the universe, so never forget the universe has so much magic to offer you. And just remember, law of attraction. When you truly want something and go after it without limiting yourself with disbelief, the universe will make it happen.